Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong second quarter of 2024. That's April, May, June. And this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook, TikTok, lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description kung paano makakapag-book. Okay, let's see Leo second quarter ng 2024. Okay. So, bottom of the deck, 8 of Cups. Uy, meron kayong iiwanan na situation that you feel uninspired, feeling nyo out of place kayo. Kasi kung makikita nyo dito sa picture na to, kayo lang yung walang partner or walang nakakasalamuha, walang kabonding. Yan, may mga partner sila. So, parang feeling mo left out ka. And, hahanapin mo kung saan ka mas mag-fit in, saan ka mas magiging masaya, saan ka mas mag-i-improve, saan ka mas mag-grow. Okay? So, yung iba, aalis sa isang trabaho, career, business, or even relationships. Yung iba sa inyo, pinag-iisipan nyo na, no? Yung mga gagawin ninyo. I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, na-stuck. Feeling stuck kayo sa isang situation na, parang ayaw nyong iwanan kasi hindi nyo rin alam kung saan kayo pupunta. You know, you get what I mean? So, you have the Judgment card here as well. So, this is about rebirth, reinventing yourself. I feel like you are finally realizing, no? Kung you dinideserve mo ba yung situation mo ngayon o hindi. Kasi kung hindi mo dinideserve, definitely you are going to walk away from that. Meron taong nagbibigay sa'yo ng advice. So, maaring humihingi ka rin ng opinion, advice sa mga taong alam mo na mayroong maibibigay na tulong sa'yo. Some of you nanggaling sa isang breakup, separation, painful situation na you want to make changes in your life. So, it's time to do that. So, your overall energy is the Justice card. So, Justice is bringing balance into your life. Para din tong energy ng Judgment is about, parang nire-reassess mo yung situation. Worth it pa ba to? O hindi na? No? So, this is also mental clarity. So, magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan ng isip kung ano yung gagawin mo. And this is also revelation. So, maaring merong marireveal sa'yo ngayong second quarter ng 2024 na katotohanan na some of you medyo painful ito or parang kailangan mong tanggapin, no? Masakit man pero kailangan mong tanggapin. Dahil doon ka mag-evolve, doon ka magbabago. So, with the 8 of Wands as your challenge, yun nga, maaring iba sa inyo nahihirapan mag-move on, nahihirapan na kumilos. Yung iba, nawawala ng inspiration. So, ito yung time na kailangan kayo mismo, yung sarili nyo mismo ay i-inspire nyo yung sarili ninyo. Mahirap rin kasi na iaasa natin sa iba yung inspiration natin. Kasi dapat yung inspiration na yan is manggagaling sa atin. It comes from within. Kasi kung nasa labas yan, paano kung walang available? Ikaw, you will always be or you should always be available para sa sarili mo. Kasi that's yourself 'di ba? You owe it to yourself. So your opportunity is to move on, move forward, go to a calmer direction. Oo. And merong pag-asa, no? With tong Six of Swords na to, di ba may anchor dyan, and then may sun, star or a sun. I think this is a big star na ina-anchor mo yung sarili mo, gusto mong kunin, no? And then, malapit mo nang makuha yan. You are in the process of, you know, going towards your goals. Ang importante is makaalis ka muna dito sa dark clouds na to, na ito yung gumugulo sa isip mo. Ito yung bagay na nagpapastuck sa'yo. But you have the opportunity to finally make your dreams come true. Okay? And then your blessing is the High Priestess. This is highly intuitive, no? Malakas yung iyong pakiramdam, very sensitive ka sa paligid mo. And this is also knowledge. So I think meron kang mga naitatago pang talento. Oo. Na hindi mo ina-explore, maybe because you feel like, you know, hindi yun magugustuhan ng iba, or parang feeling mo walang use yun sa ngayon, but I feel like there's a revelation sa'yo ngayong second quarter ng 2024 that will make you realize, no? Na marirealize mo kung gaano ka kagaling, gaano ka powerful. Okay? So, your money, career, finances, I feel like anything from your past ay ile-let go mo. Any experience sa trabaho, sa career, sa business na no longer serving your highest good. Na kumbaga pag naaalala mo, nalulungkot ka lang, or pag naaalala mo, hindi ka na-inspire. So you have to let that go. Maaring you are going to release the old career, old situation, old mindset pagdating sa finances, kaperahan. And you will focus on your future. So, sa love life naman, you have the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Cups. So, I feel like there is someone in your life na very supportive of you, na kung saan yung direction na gusto mong puntahan, nandun din siya, naka-follow siya. So, maganda pa rin yan kasi sabihin, meron kang karamay, no? Sa mga panahon na you are feeling down, you are feeling uninspired. So, there is someone na nagbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration. Pwede tong romantic partner, pwedeng anak mo, or anyone na mahal sa buhay. With the Two of Pentacles, I see you also working together. Pwedeng meron kayong business together, or project together, working hand in hand para ma-achieve nyo ang inyong mga goals and dreams. Ayan, tinan pa natin. For Leo, I think for you, Leo, this is a transition period sa inyo, no? Of change. Let's see. Oh, ayan, intuition na naman, no? Lumalakas ang inyong intuition. You're going to see things clearly ngayong second quarter. Boldness, pioneer. Wow, meron kayong long journey. Oo. 'Di ba? So talagang maglalakas loob ka na i-explore pa yung ibang mga bagay na hindi mo sinubukan before kasi inisip mo baka hindi ka para doon, no? So it's your time to see or discover more about yourself. Yes, self-discovery. Yung iba sa inyo, Leo, maaring you will get into spirituality, like using different forms of divination, ganyan. Uy, may new love. Maaring new source of happiness to. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work, prospects, or spiritual growth. Yes. So, you are growing. Dahil dito sa bagong love mo. No? This can be a bagong trabaho, career, business, or a devotion. Oh, speaking of devotion, have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. Yes. Tignan mo, ang daming mga butterflies, and it symbolizes metamorphosis, change, transformation. So, you are transforming. to a better version of yourself ngayong second half ng 2024. You create your own reality. What you want wants you to. So, what do you want to experience? Diba? So, ikaw daw nagkikreate ng sarili mong reality. And may number 1 dito. Number 1 sa numerology is about new beginnings, independence, no? Pioneering. Wow. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.